can you see I just got free 50 gig from MTN. Activation of 50 gig my MTN app download data offer was successful. Now let me go to the MTN app to go and show you also. Now can you see it says bonus 49.47 gig, because it was initially 50 gig and now it is 49.47 gig remaining. Okay, let me just prove to you that I'm actually making use of this to download things. Let me go to my Play Store. I'm updating all my apps. Before I show you how you can get it, can you see it? I'm updating all my apps. Everything is on update. I'm even updating my phone's software. Can you see it? I'm updating everything with this free 50 gig.
Guys, I just got free 50 gig of my MTN SIM right now. Yes, and on my video today, I'll also show you how to get yours. You know how much 50 gig worth of MTN is going to be in Naira? Let's say around 10,000 Naira, if I'm not mistaken, or if it's not even more, right? So my video today, I'll show you how to get that for yourself for free. What you need to do is to watch this video to the very end and ensure you follow this step-by-step process. If you're watching this video and using, let's say, Glow, Nine Mobile or Airtel, I also have a special video for you guys, because on my channel here, I want to create videos on how you guys can solve the online world with ease. So I'm creating videos specifically on how to even get free airtime on all platforms, on all network. I mean, do you understand? So all you need to do also is to make sure you subscribe to this channel and also smash on the bell icon, so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, let's jump right into how I was able to get this free 50 gig on MTN.
So how can you get this thing? Okay, all you need to do is to go to the Play Store. Right, to get this 50 gig, just go to the Play Store or App Store. Is to go and search my MTN app. Sorry, MTN app. Okay, so once you have done it, as you can see, mine is already installed. All you need to do is to install it either on your App Store or your Play Store. Install it. Then once you've installed it, okay, all you need to do is now sign in or sign up with your number, with your MTN number. Then once you sign up with your number, you will now see, this is my airtime balance over 52 naira, and also this is my data balance. And this is what you're going to see. Then once you go out of the app like this, then you now go back to the app. Once you go back to the app, you're going to get this notification. I made a screenshot of it at that point when it was sent to me. All right, where is the screenshot? It's going to tell you, before this, it's going to tell you you can now accept your 50 gig, whatever. Then you click on accept. Then it's not tell you congratulations, you can now enjoy your 50 gig free. Okay, but as you can see here, what it says is it's going to expire 11:59 today. So what this means is this 50 gig is for 1 day. It's for just to the end of the day. So if before you try it, ensure that you have a lot of things you want to download. Like as you can see me, I'm updating my phone and everything. After this, I'll just go to Netflix over now and go and start downloading movies. Okay, keep on downloading everything I want to download today, and make sure I finish that 50 gig before 11:59 p.m. At least I still have more than 12 hours, which is enough for me to download everything and finish 50 gig, update my laptop and every other thing.
So as you saw right there, this is how you can get your 50 gig, but it is valid till 12 a.m. Do you understand? So all you need to do, or if I should tell you how I did mine, I had to get mine around 1 a.m. Then I used the whole day, right? I used to update my apps, update my software, just download a lot of movies, even upload heavy videos on all my YouTube channels. Yes, and I was able to finish up that whole 50 gig. So do not forget to check out my channel for more videos on how you can get free airtime, free data on all networks. Okay, I will see you in that video.